Hello, future designers. Welcome to another tutorial at ABCD. In our previous lesson, we were able to finalize this particular screen where we did the UI for, as you see here. So we finalized by doing this particular UI. Okay. Now we want to move to our next screen, which is going to be this applets. So applets, we just have to do this. Okay. And then these icons. Okay. So that said, let's get started. So all I have to do is just Control C, the screen Control C, Control V it. Let's see, okay. Still new screen, so I'm going to just rename it to new screen 2. Okay. And then I just have to go for any of the shapes. So I'll go for this shape. Okay. So with our applet, we want when that's this plugin is clicked, this particular one, the plug, when it's clicked, we want it to show this applet. Okay, so the applet could be there are icons that we can plugins that you can connect to your this software. Okay, that's our virtual meet software. Maybe you want to share some files and items to with your students or amongst yourselves. Okay, so our first icon is going to be the files. Okay, so I don't know what files are, but you can use any icons of your choice. Okay, so files looks like a test tube. Probably maybe an icon for sharing scientific stuff. Then the next one is accessibility. So to accessibility. Mm. Okay, so we don't have. I don't, okay, but I prefer this icon. Okay, let's use this for accessibility. You can decide to use this. Okay, but let's use this instead. Then, so I'm just going to use any random icon. Okay, so let's say set certificate. Okay, so okay, then I'll go for the plus icon. So the plus icon, I want icon color or icon black. Then I'll just type plus. Okay, so I just want this. Okay, so this when a user clicks on it, it gives the user the option to add more icons. Okay, then let's check the size for this icon. So our size is 36 by 36. Let's see what we have here. 20 by 20. I prefer 20 by 20, or it even looks bigger. So let's leave it to 20 by 20. Or we can do 18 by 18 or 16, or let's leave it to 18 by 18, but it looks too dark, so I'm going to change the shade, the dark color. Let's move it up a bit. Nothing's happening. Where's the color? Okay, that's so let me use this color code. Icon color isn't changing. Okay, so this color is okay. So there's the color code I use. Let me use 18 by 18. And then would need a text. So the text, I'm going to copy this, Control C, Control V, and I'm going to type. You can use your applets or applets. Okay, so let's see what I have here. I have your applets. Let's see the size that I use. So size is 20. Let's see the size here, 20. So let's just do applets. So applets is going to expand the scope of our um, software. Okay, so users can add more apps or external integrate other apps into the service. Then now I'm going to work on the background color so of the icons. So this icon color is this. Okay, so the fill color, not the color, the fill, not the color. Remember, And for this, you want, oops, this color code. So here I think our users can integrate certificate that they have from other platforms like Credly, LinkedIn. Okay, so they can distribute or show it to their colleagues here. Now let's look at the size of our icons. Okay, so 36 by 36. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, it's still the same. Let me see the size I have for this. Okay, so 26, 264. Okay, so let me see. I think I like this size. So this size is 315 by 160. So this is quite okay. Uh, this is quite okay. Let's just ensure that the spacings are evenly distributed. So I use this. Okay, it's evenly distributed. If you want to enlarge it, you can enlarge it. If you think the spacing is too much, we can just try to take this. Let's move this here a bit. Okay, and then I'm going to resize. Let's move the icon here, and I'm going to push this inside to this. Okay, you can also move this up, then just try to move this up, these up. Okay, then I'll group them, Control G, and then that should be it for our applets. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then I'll see you. Wait, let's see if it's well centered. So let me copy this. Sorry, hold shift and then let's rather. Oh, because I've grouped them. Okay, so we'll use our eye. Okay, so it's well centered. Like you have some guides here to help us. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.